Hello everybody. Yesterday I went out and I bought a new ink pad, new ultra fine colored pens, and dry erase markers. But they can be used for any purpose other than dry erase, I guess. The reason I bought them for is because I wanted to continue studying these um, fractal cubes, the central ghost number fractal cube. And this is a reason that I've given before. Let me see. This is a reason I've given before, but I try to make this as simple as I can in one video. I'll also provide a link to the video that shows the traditional way of constructing a basic magic ghost number cube, so you can see for yourself where this is going. Okay, on a basic magic ghost number cube, and this is in addition form. Um, well, first it's constructed out of, this is what I typically construct them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sequence of primary numbers, which altogether in addition form produces the inner number of 21, the sum of these numbers. And outward, using the commutative property, there's 5 on both sides of 1 and 4, 1 plus 4 and 4 plus 1. 2 plus 5 gives 7, 5 plus 2 gives 7, 3 plus 6 gives 9, 6 plus 3 gives 9. And, well, you just have to see that video to understand the complete way of constructing a basic magic ghost number cube. Well, okay, now this is moving on to the central ghost number. With a basic magic ghost number cube, every ghost number, these are the ghost numbers. You have 63 for the outer ghost number, 18 for one of the diagonals of the inner ghost number, 21, the central ghost number itself, 45, the another inner ghost number in the diagonal, which completes to add to be 63. This is redundant because I already show it up here. Don't have to repeat it again. So there are 4 basic ghost numbers to consider. This one being the special one, the central ghost number. Because in any way you can create your own new magic ghost number cube out of any of these ghost numbers. Not so for the rest of these, but for any of the ghost numbers, you can create a new magic ghost number cube. And using these colored numbers as the primary numbers, same way as this is circled with primary numbers. You have 5, 7, 9, then you have 12, 16, and 14. Well, this array of fractal or magic ghost number cube, central ghost number, it's balanced. If you show like a 7 is directly across from 14, 16 is directly across from 5, and 9 is directly across from 12, and they all equal 21. And that balance creates an intersection. 21, 21, 21 is 63, like a normal magic ghost number cube. With 18, you have 2 opposite of 4, 1 opposite of 5, and 3 opposite of 3. And they balance out again to give 6 in every direction. 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 3 plus 3 is 6. And 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. And it's purple, it's an inner ghost number. This, I'll go to the 45. 45, it's balanced again. 4 and 11 are directly across from each other. 6 and 9 are directly across from each other. and 5 and 10 are directly across from each other. Each one adds up to be 15. 4 and 11, 5 and 10, 6 and 9. And that's balanced out, and it creates this intersection. Now, with the central ghost number as it stands, it's only crosswise that it equals 7 out 3 times to be 21. If you try to do it intersection, it would be 1 plus 4 is 5, 7, 9. And I can show you another proof that shows where these change states to a crosswise. Then this would change states to an intersection if you alter the numbers in the same fashion. But I won't go into that. But this is proof enough that the central ghost number in any given magic ghost number array is special. Even if this happened to be a central ghost number in a new magic ghost number cube, that would be special, while its generated array would share the same state. It would be different. Okay, so that's reason enough for me to study the fractal cube of the central magic ghost number cube. And what I mean by fractal is, and I use this to make these cubes more easier and more clear to see. A fractal ghost number cube, a central ghost number cube, you still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and that still equals 21 for a normal magic ghost number cube. But then you fractalize it. In this case, I fractalize it 3 by 3 by 3 cube. And I just put 1s, 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 2s, 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 3s, 3s, 3s on top, 4, 4, 4s back here, 5, 5, 5s in the front, and 6, 6, 6 on the bottom. Those are the primary numbers for these micro fractal cubes or whatever. And when you add these primary numbers up, they give the resulting fractal central ghost numbers. And you add these, I added them going down, 18, 12, 27, same thing with this, same thing with this, and this, and they equal 57, 48, plus 48, plus 84. They all equal 189, and I colored that green. That's the new central fractal ghost number. And 21 goes into 189 9 times, which gives the faces to each, cubes to each face. It's 9. And if I did this in a 4 by 4 by 4 array, it would, whatever number the fractal central ghost number is, would spit out as 16. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And so on. 25, 36. And these work for all magic ghost numbers. And I suspect for higher polyhedra ghost numbers. These work for the cube form. And that's the reason I study higher polyhedras, to apply these fractals to a higher polyhedra, but it's a lot more difficult to study those. So that gives you the faces, and you can also have nested cubes within cubes that, when divided by the central ghost number, whatever ghost number that is, would give you the cubes to the face of each nested cube inside of these cubic fractal cubes. Well, thanks a lot. This is one of the ways to study a central ghost number, is to fractalize it. And so far it generates some interesting results.